Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Seriah Alexus, and today we are doing 70 plus Christmas gift ideas that are kind of unique, kind of creative. I have a whole bunch of different categories, but if you're new to my channel, again, my name is Seriah Alexus, and I make beauty, post-grad, and lifestyle videos, lots of vlogs, and sit-down videos like this. So if you enjoy those type of videos, definitely subscribe or consider subscribing down below, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any time when I upload. These are gifts that you can give a friend, a mother, sister, whatever, boyfriend. There's a lot of girly things in here, but there's also stuff that is for everyone. I have 8 different categories for you guys. So the first category is beauty and self-care. Alright, so the first thing that I have is Lush products, anything Lush. They have really cute gift boxes that you guys can give, and definitely under $50. Oh, by the way, all these gifts will be under $50 and under, but still good gifts that anybody will want. The second thing I have is makeup brushes. I know I always love to get makeup brushes. I don't like to buy them for myself, so I think this would be a perfect gift for anyone. And you can find good quality sets of makeup brushes for a good price, under $50. The next I have is an eyeshadow palette. The one that I found is called the Beauty Bakery. Love this. I haven't tried it yet, but I definitely want to buy this for myself. It's like a makeup brand. One, it's black owned, and all their makeup in their eyeshadow palettes is like bakery inspired. So they have like a brownie one, a cookie one. They have one that looks like those ice cream cookie sandwiches. I love bakery food, so they already got me with that. The next thing I have is reusable cotton pads. For someone who's interested in skincare and makeup, this would be great for them, and they don't have to keep buying cotton pads because I feel like I'm always running out. The next thing is magnetic lashes, especially for those who wear makeup and want to save time doing it. The magnetic lashes are a great gift. The next thing I have is perfume or cologne. This is like a basic thing. I always love getting perfume. I love giving perfume for gifts and cologne, and who doesn't like to smell good? And you can go high-end with the perfume or the cologne, or you can get like a regular body spray or an Axe or something. Really just depends on your budget. The next thing I said is a nail gel kit. I'm just going to show you guys the one that I got. So I got this one off of Amazon. It comes with 20 colors. And it comes with a matte and a shiny top coat. I do my own nails, so I think that's a perfect gift for anyone who likes their nails done and someone who's also looking to save money. I've been saving so much money not going to get my nails done. Next thing is a facial steamer. So these things are really cool. It's good for your skincare, and I think that it'll be a great gift to give to someone, especially someone looking to clear their skin or just get like that spa type of vibe at their house. The next thing I have is the one-step blow dryer. So I have this. It looks like this. I use this to dry my hair and stretch it out, especially someone with curly hair. Definitely a good gift. They also have different ones. They have one that's round, but that one specifically I know is under $50. So the next thing I have is silk pillowcases. I have a silk pillowcase. I love it, and it's good for protecting your hair, and definitely under $50. You can get the multiple silk pillowcases if you want and kind of bundle it with like facial steamer and still be good. The next thing I have is at-home laser hair removal. Now this, I actually have it pulled up on my iPad now so the cheapest one I'm seeing is $59, so it's just $9 over budget. If you're really looking to stay under $50, then just X this out, but I think it's definitely worth it. It's a great gift. I personally would love to get this because I'm going to get laser hair removal. If you can do it at home for the time being and it works, that'll be a perfect gift for someone. So moving on to the clothing category. So the first thing that I have is fuzzy slides. Everybody loves fuzzy slides. I love fuzzy slides. I mean, not everybody will love them, but anything fuzzy for like the holiday season is just perfect. The next thing I have is a graphic t-shirt. If you know this person's favorite band, favorite artist, a saying, get them a graphic tee that says that or has that artist on them. The next thing I have is a sweatpants or sweatsuit matching set. I don't even like wearing jeans anymore. Like, this is what quarantine has done to me. I just want to be in sweatpants all day, anything comfortable. Some 2 brands that have really good quality basics. I just ordered from them for Black Friday, so stay tuned for a haul that I'm going to be filming. And the 2 brands is JLux Label and Nakeup Wardrobe. They have really basic type of clothing, so definitely check out those 2 sites. The next thing I put is pajama sets, so any type of pajama sets I think would be really cute. Next thing I have is a fluffy or like kind of cozy type of robe. I know like during the winter months I wear my fuzzy robe almost every day. I definitely recommend getting that. and it'll keep them warm, especially if you live in New York or somewhere cold. The next thing that I have is any type of workout clothes. It's the brands that I have is Lululemon. Never bought anything from them. They're really expensive, so I probably don't recommend that if you want to stay under 50. But Gymshark, they have leggings that are around 30, 40, 50 dollars. And then there's another brand called Alphalete. I'm gonna look it up for you guys right now because we need answers. Alphalete leggings. Okay, so they normally run $72, so that's, I don't know why these leggings be so expensive now. They don't even have a sales tab. I recommend just sticking with Gymshark if you want to stay under that $50 mark and still have good quality. Next thing I have is any type of jewelry, any type of jewelry shops. Support your friends if you know they have jewelry stores. Support people that you know, people that's close by. I know a lot of people sell their jewelry on Etsy and it's really cute. Attached to this is like nose piercings, belly button rings. Next thing I have is any type of cute purse that's under 50. Yeah, so we're gonna have to hold off on the Louis Vuitton right now. We can get that another time. Just something that's cute that they can wear on the day-to-day basis. It's always a good gift. Next I have fuzzy socks. I love fuzzy socks. Anything, I told you, fuzzy in the holidays is just like. Next thing I have is cute face masks. This is the time that we're living in, so you might as well make your face mask match. I know before it was all about the N95 mask, but now it seems like nobody cares and they just want their mask to match their outfit. So now we're gonna move on to the home decor. This is just things that can go in your house, go in your room. The first thing I have is an acrylic tissue box. I think these look really cool and sleek. The next thing I have is a smart body fat scale. That sounds crazy, but basically like if you step on it, it kind of tells you your fat percentage, or BMI I think it's called. Don't give that to somebody who you know has had like weight issues or insecurities with their weight, because they're gonna be like, what is this? So definitely give it to someone who you know would want it. Next thing I have is a neon light. I definitely want to get these. I think it's so fire, and I'm losing my voice. And you can find some that are under $50. These can get really expensive. Yeah, there's one like on Urban Outfitters that is $40. You probably won't be able to customize it to like say whatever you want, but you can probably find ones that have cool sayings on them already. Urban Outfitters has one like with all the zodiac signs, which I think is so cute. Next thing I have is a heated blanket. This is amazing. Next thing I have is a weighted blanket. I heard it helps with anxiety and things like that. The next thing I have is a candles in general. We love candles. Like if you give me a candle, I'm gonna be happy. I have mugs. So the mugs that I have on my mind right now are the clear ones that look like this. Those are so cute and aesthetically pleasing. The next thing I have is an air fryer. The next thing I have is a milk frother. I'm not a coffee drinker. I really like tea, but it's supposed to be a great gift for someone who likes to make their own coffee at home. The next thing I have is a waffle maker. I just bought one from Target and it makes me so happy. It's only $10. Next I have is a rechargeable lighter, so the ones that kind of spark up. Pretty sure everyone knows about them already because like every YouTuber has them. The next thing I have is a record player. So cute. I love it. I want one myself. The Crossley, I think that's how you say it. Those ones are under $50. Next thing I have is an Alexa, Amazon Alexa. Next thing I put is a plug-in heater. Anything like this. Oh, I love these things. Love them, love them, love them. And they keep you warm without having to like turn your heat up to like 100. Next thing I have is a rock salt lamp. I have a diffuser. I just got one from Amazon under $50. Super cute, changes colors. Along with that diffuser, get them essential oils. In my opinion, I feel like the best essential oils are the Young Living oils. There's no third party messing up the oils, adding these harmful chemicals. Next thing I have is LED lights. It really like transform the vibe of a room. It's a vibe. Next thing I have is the Galaxy Starlight. The next thing that I found was really interesting and creative is this cloud key holder. Basically your keys just magnetically attached to them, so I think that would be a great gift, especially if you know someone who's always losing their keys. Next thing I have is a sun lamp. I'm definitely getting this for myself. You know, it's 4 o'clock and the sun's down already. For anyone who lives in a colder climate where the sun is setting a lot earlier in the day, I think this would be good. I know it's known to like boost your mood, improve your mental health. Next thing I have is a bed tray or a lap desk. So I think this would be an amazing gift for anyone you know who is working from home. Next thing I have is a coffee table book. There was one for like Rihanna, there's some for like Kobe Bryant. So next we're gonna be moving on to food category. So the first thing I have is there's only like 2 things in this category. So one, I have a Starbucks gift card, or you can pay for somebody, like take them out to get food, take them out to dinner. Hopefully the restaurant is open, and then the next thing I have is any type of food gift cards. Next category is technology. This is a good gift for anyone really. So basically it is a Bluetooth tracker. It's called Tile. They have like one piece that goes in your wallet, and then the other piece you can connect it to your keychain. Let's say if you lose your wallet, it's Bluetooth, so it can connect to your phone, and then it can tell you where your wallet is. You can attach it to your keys so you can find your keys. So the next thing I have is a Polaroid picture printer. Next thing I have is long iPhone chargers. Next thing I put is any type of case. So we're talking laptop cases, iPhone cases, iPad, AirPods. Any type of case would be a great Christmas gift. Nobody likes to buy cases for themselves, but we all love to switch out our cases. Next thing I have is a portable charger. If you are like me or your friend is like me and your phone is somehow never charged, this would be a great gift for them. Next thing I have is a webcam cover, and these are actually really inexpensive, so maybe you can bundle them with something else. Maybe bundle it with the iPhone charger and a case. Next thing I have is an iPhone ring light tripod. I'm definitely looking to get this myself. The DIY section is definitely under $50 because you're just making it yourself, and it's also really thoughtful because you took the time to create the gift. The first thing I have is a framed picture. You can make a picture collage for them and then frame it. You can get like their favorite artists and a poster size or like something that's important to them and frame it for them and give that as a gift.
Amazing, spectacular.
Amazing, show-stopping, spectacular.
The next thing I have is a personalized blanket, so I think this would be a really amazing gift for like grandparents. Next thing I have is to bake something for somebody. If you're a baker and you love to bake, or you just love to make food, make something for someone if you know like their favorite food. Next thing I have is to get them liquor. So if you're 21 and older, I think this would be a great gift to get to someone. You can get them their favorite wine. You can get them a really nice expensive wine if you want. My mom sells CBD infused wine. It tastes so good. I'll have it linked down below. But you can also get them like, you know, the little personal liquor bottles that you can get at like the liquor store. You can get them like a bundle of their favorite liquor in like the personal size and like wrap it up. Alright, so next category is the subscription category. Yeah, I think this gift is so creative and I think it's so fun because it's a gift that keeps on giving basically. There's some food subscription boxes that you can give someone who doesn't really like cooking or loves cooking and wants to try out new recipes. There's one called Revive. They give you like smoothie cups. There's one baked by Melissa. She does like bakery items, cupcakes. We love cupcakes. And then the next one is HelloFresh, which is like a grocery shopping type of subscription. So you can pay for someone's subscription for like 3 months, 6 months. The next thing is like a subscription box or service type of thing. So you can get the Scentbird subscription for someone, and that's just something where they can try out new perfumes or colognes. And another thing you can do is pay for someone's Audible subscription for a few months or Spotify. The next category I have is random. So this is just stuff I couldn't find a category for. So the first thing I have is a what? The first thing I have is a car purse. A car purse or bag holder. The next thing I have is a steering wheel cover, so like those fuzzy ones. Another thing you can get is a car diffuser. I was like, what? You can get this for your car? So cute. And if you want, I think these things are all inexpensive enough that you could buy all of these things and give this as a bundle gift to someone. The next thing I have is blue light glasses for someone who's always on their computer like me. Alright, so the next thing you can get is a self-cleaning UV water bottle. The next thing I have is anyone in your life who you know is very religious. You can get them a devotional book. The next thing I have is brush pens. Next thing I have is spiritual crystals. I'm that type of person, so I think that would be a great gift to give to someone. The next thing I have is card games. So Cards Against Humanity, I know it's a popular game. There's this game that I just found out. It's called We're Not Really Strangers. Games are just a fun way to interact with people around you and just have fun. Okay, so the last thing I have is a music picture frame, or you can get a keychain, and this is what it looks like. You can find these on Etsy, but basically you can get your favorite song put on these things, or if you're an artist, you can get your song put on these things. There's a little part on the frame where you can put your phone to it and the song will play. It's a really creative, fun gift to give to someone. I've been talking for so long. I'm surprised my camera didn't die. My battery's on low. Comment down below what you want for Christmas or what you're planning on getting someone for Christmas. Definitely want to know, and it'll also add to the list of ideas. And make sure that you like this video if you enjoyed it. It helps out my channel so much, and I appreciate it so much. Any type of engagement helps out. If you haven't already, definitely check out my Pinterest and my Instagram, and you can follow me there if you would like. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys again. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
When December comes, I bet you want to wrap me all up and take me home with you. See what
I look like under them lights. I'll keep it quiet, whatever. I'm just tryna keep my baby warm till the winter time.